guys, welcome to React Baby course, and today is our episode 2. And in this episode we will discuss or understanding the JSX. And first 2-3 video will be basically theoretical basis, and after that we will go fully in VS Code or code basis. Okay, and in your mind you must have a overview of full React. Okay, before we go into code section. Okay, so in today's video we will discuss the introduction to JSX versus HTML key differences, embedding JavaScript expression in JSX, example of the function in embedding in JSX. Also we will see the conditional rendering and list. Then we will see JavaScript in attributes and inline styles. And next we will see common JSX mistakes and how we fix the mistakes. And then there will be a mini practice assignment also. So at first we have to know that what is JSX. JSX extends JavaScript syntax, allowing HTML like elements directly in React component code structure. And what is the benefit of JSX? Through optional, JSX simplifies UI development by merging HTML syntax within JavaScript, enhancing readability. And JSX code compiles to React.create element calls, transforming declarative syntax into React element object during build. Next, what is the key differences of JSX versus HTML? So in HTML we use for writing any class name we use class CLASS, but in JSX we use CLASS NAME in camel case. Okay, so JSX uses basically class name attribute replacing HTML class due to JavaScript reserved keyword conflicts. Next, for inline style formatting in JavaScript object with camel case keys we use in basically JSX. But unlike HTML, like string style declaration in HTML. Next, what is the requirement of JSX syntax? JSX demands well-formed syntax, self-closing tags mandatory, event handlers camel case with curly braces, comments, and many more things. Next, how we embed JavaScript expression in JSX. So for this, JSX supports embedding any JavaScript expression inside curly braces for dynamic UI content rendering. For valid expression type, we also can use also TypeScript in React.js. But there also have a variable, functional call, ternary operation, mathematical computation, and array can be embedded directly in JSX. What is the limitation on that statement? That statement like if or for loops cannot be used directly. Conditional logic requires expressions such as ternary operators. Next, example, embedding variable and function in JSX. Define a JavaScript variable and embedded it directly within JSX during curly braces for dynamic rendering. Function call within JSX. Invoke functions inside JSX to return computed strings, enabling UI for reflect dynamic user data properly. Then practical user object usage. Pass a user object to function embedded in JSX to format and display customized user specific content dynamically. And in upcoming videos we will see also the in VS Code, the practical also. Next, example of conditional rendering and list. Use ternary operator within JSX curly braces to render different UI based on boolean is login state. We iterate over array in JSX with map function, returning elements with unique key for efficient React reconciliation. Then why key is important in list? Assign unique key to each list item to enable React's virtual DOM to optimize updates and re-render. Next, the example of JavaScript in attributes and inline style. JavaScript variable within JSX attribute by embedding them inside curly braces for dynamic prop values. Dynamic inline styling. Assign inline styles as JavaScript objects with variables, allowing conditional style adjustments directly within JSX. Combining JSX and JS logic, integrate JavaScript expression seamlessly into JSX attribute to enhance component flexibility and user interface interactions. Next, what is the common mistakes in JSX and how we can fix the mistakes? The incorrect attribute usage, like in HTML we use class, but we have to use class name in React.js or JSX. Next issue is omitting closing tag. Means we have to use closing tag in JSX, but in HTML for some tags we can't. If we don't use any closing tag, then HTML page properly load. But in JSX, if we don't use any closing tag, then the page will not properly load. Next is improper conditional logic. Using if statement inside JSX is invalid. Replace with ternary operators for conditional render effectively. There is an assignment you have to do by yourself, and in upcoming videos I will also solve the assignment. The assignment is create a React component accepting a name prop to personalize greeting message dynamically. Okay. And for today's video, that's all, and we will see the code, or we will practice the code in VS Code in upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubt, then please join our WhatsApp group, and also you can join our Telegram group also. Thank you.